Good morning, juniors. Today we are going to talk about another type of cell division called meiosis. Our objectives for today: I can explain how gametes are formed through meiosis, and I can compare and contrast mitosis and meiosis. A quick review: mitosis forms two diploid daughter cells. Remember, we said that those daughter cells are absolutely identical to the parent cell. They have the same amount of DNA as was in the parent cell. And those cells produced from mitosis are used for growth and repair. Here's our picture of mitosis. One parent cell, two daughter cells, same amount of DNA. They look exactly the same. So our new notes for today: meiosis is the type of cell division that produces sex cells or gametes. The fancy science name is gametes. So female gametes are eggs and male gametes are called sperm. Sex cells are used for sexual reproduction. That means you need two parents to produce offspring. I'm going to pause here and give you some time to copy this down. Please pause the video if you need more time. So, in meiosis, one parent cell divides, and this time it produces four daughter cells. So, one parent cell, and we end up with four daughter cells at the end of meiosis. These new cells have half as much DNA as the parent cell. They're called haploid cells. And what's cool about these four new daughter cells is that they are all genetically different from the parent cell. So, in order to go through meiosis, the parent cell has to divide twice. It goes through PMAT phases twice. Here is a picture of meiosis. We have the parent cell starting here. It's got 4 chromosomes. It divides once, and then we get 2 daughter cells, but then those daughter cells divide, and we get 4 ending daughter cells at the end of meiosis. Each daughter cell has 2 chromosomes. We started with 4 chromosomes in the parent cell. Each of the 4 daughter cells from meiosis has 2 chromosomes. It has half the number of chromosomes because it is a haploid cell. And these 4 daughter cells here, these are sex cells. These are going to be gametes. So, when a sperm and an egg combine, they form a zygote. That zygote develops into an offspring, like us, like a baby. So, sex cells must have half as much DNA so that when they combine, you get a whole offspring. So 1/2 of DNA from the male sex cell, from the sperm, and 1/2 DNA from the female sex cell, from the egg, equals one whole offspring. A half plus a half is a whole. So a quick summary. Mitosis produces 2 identical diploid daughter cells. Mitose, like mitosis. Your toes are part of your body. Mitosis produces body cells. You get 2 identical diploid daughter cells. Meiosis, or meiosis I like to say because you and me came from meiosis, produces 4 different haploid daughter cells. By different, we mean that the DNA in each of the new daughter cells is different than the DNA that started in the parent cell. Mitosis produces identical daughter cells. Meiosis, or meiosis, produces different daughter cells. Make sure you're going back to the video, to get all of our Cornell notes, and let's get started on guided practice.